How to use Flybuys. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can use Flybuys, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to learn how you can use the Flybuys app, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Flybuys application on your mobile device, and then make sure that you are logged into your account. Now Flybuys is basically like a ticket booking, so that you can use a Flybuys card. You can book from this airport to another one or whichever else it is. You can also earn some Flybuys points so that you can use it somewhere online in stores. So when you're on the home page, you'll be able to see your points and so on. If you just swipe right hand side and so on, you'll be able to see everything that you have earned, and you can spend your points in an e-commerce store as well. If you go to cards, you also get a Flybuy card where you'll also be able to see the card number. If you go to earn section, you can also make sure to earn some of the points and everything else that you want to earn from here, depending upon what it is that you want to do. After that, you can go to the store tab to be able to see all the latest deals and so on. If you come to the profile icon from the top right hand side, over here you'll be able to see the recent activity, the wish list, the managing your account page, app settings and so forth. You can also close your account if you select this option here. So this way you can go ahead and then use Flybuys. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.